Hello, it's Kai from Medical Surgical. In this video, we will introduce you one of our fully electric surgical table with the model YA-05E. Here it is. And the table is constructed with stainless steel frame. The side panel, the base cover, the column cover is all made of stainless steel 304. It's very resistant to corrosion. And the table is mounted with the big caster, so it's very easy to transport and reposition it. The platform for this tabletop is divided with 6 sections, with individual leg section, 2 leg section, the hip section, the back section, and the head section, with additional separate kidney section. And this table is controlled by the hand remote control. And also we have another backup for the column control. And now let's operate the functionality for this table from the controllers. First, we have to unlock the screen. And when the colorful icons is showing up, now we can start to operate the table. Backrest up. Backrest done. And we can get -degree. Trendelenburg. And reverse Trendelenburg. Left tilting and right tilting. And we have electric adjusting for the leg rest. And this is for the simultaneous control. Also, we can do the individual control. And for another part. During surgery, the patient needs to be examined by C-arm to do the fluoroscopy. And this table, the whole length platform is with X-ray translucent material. So the X-ray can penetrate the table platform to get the video. However, we have a blended area here because we have a column here. So the C-arm is not able to access this area. And our solution is to provide the sliding function for this table. Let me show you. So by the sliding function, the original blended area can be exposed by the C-arm to do the fluoroscopy. This table has excellent bearing capacity. Now we have 4 people sitting on the table and it's still going smoothly up and down. Now it's the highest position. For medical staff to operate the table conveniently, the 1-button flex, reflex, chair position, and 0 return functions are available with the control panels. So let's operate it. Reflex, 1-button reflex. And 1-button flex. And the 0 button is to return the table from complicated position to the flat low position. There is a superior feature for this table is the memory function. The memory function means we can operate the table into a complicated and frequently used position. And the doctor want to use it with 1 button according to their standard. So for this position, we can customize it into the system. And by operating the software, we can get 1 button to make the table to turn to this position. Now let's activate the saved memory positions. By option 1, now the table is turning to the preset memory position. The standard accessory for this table including the leg support, the waist holder, the shoulder support, the swing armrest, and the anesthesia screen. The leg section can be folded outside, and also the head plate can be operated with the different angles, up and down. And this angle also can be lifted up and down and can be fixed. So if you need more information, please contact us. Thanks for watching.